Welcome. In this video, we will discuss about the JavaScript operators. In the JavaScript, an operator is a special symbol that is used to perform operation on the operands. Operands may be your value, or operands means your value and variables. For example, that if I using the 7 plus 8, so here 8 and 7 both are your operands and plus is your operator that will be going to addition here. But in the JavaScript, we also concatenate the string using the plus operator also. That may be the special feature of the JavaScript. So now let's check. First operator, as we discussed about the plus, that is perform the addition here. Okay, now here's some another list of the operators. First is assignment operator. Again, where I equal to 9. Here equal to means your assignment operator. You are assigning values to the variables. Actually the 9 of the value will be the copy to the I locations. That will be the basic operation. That operator assign the value 5 to the variable x. So assignment operators not only can be accessed list by this, we can also use according to like that. Simple initialization I equal to 9. I can also use I equal to plus 9, and that will be I equals to I plus 9. So it will be where I equal to I plus 9. So short term will be I plus equals to 9. This is the above example is short term of that. Now this is about the additions. Same thing if for the multiplication I use I into 9 and the assignment operator simply like this. I minus of 9 I equal to I minus 9. Division for again for the division here I equals to I by 9 or I divided by equal to 9. If I put this exponential here, so you can see that is I exponential of the 9. So this is the commonly used assignment operator, and what we will discuss about the assignment operators here. Now after the assignment operator, there is one operator, another the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator we use plus, equal to, minus, division, exponential in the above previous example. So these are the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic separators also are there. Suppose that I have one example. Let x equal to 19. Again here, let y equal to 20 here. Okay. Now if I put console dot log, and this is my expressions message here, I'm going to x plus y here, and that value will be equal to what? So that value will be, I have to add on that. So x plus y, you can get 39 value. So instead of the storing the x plus z value in another variable, we just directly use here. As in the first lecture, we will see here the variable equal to 10, variable b equal to 16, and store those both of the addition multiplication in third variable. We can't use, we can use directly by the expression using the console log here. So this is about the arithmetic operations directly used in the console log or the printing the value here. Same for the subtraction also you can use. Same for the addition, multiplication, and division you can use. Also as for the exponential you can use here. Now one other thing is there is a one or more operator division, that is reminder percent by the percentage. So let's take one example of this again here. Okay, let let I equals to 10, let j equals to 20. Okay, now if I put the console dot log and I modulus by j, okay, and that's perfect, equal to I modulus by j, you can print the value. Unexpected token is what? Okay, it's not minus, it's equal to. In the value here, and you can see I modulus by j equal to uh, it's showing the value 10, 5 equal to, but that's not possible. That's a possible because it was 1 and 20 minus 10 is minus 10. पूरा लेक्चर खराब हो गया.